Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today I share with you how I prepare this delicious plantain and potato vegetable porridge that you will love. Honestly, try out this recipe and you will not regret it. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you, and let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to be needing tilapia fish, as you can see here, properly clean. Now I poured it into the pot. Now go ahead to season with some season cubes, some salt to taste,
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen,
oregano,
concern belle, you know who to call. Obajodo. Food where they
curry powder,
enjoy yourself with tabi follow. You don't need to dey bother yourself.
some chopped onions.
It's always a solution. Looking for the perfect.
At this point, I added some water to the fish, give it a stir. Yeah, so I went ahead and add in some soya sauce, stir, cover the pot, and let it cook until the fish is properly done.
Put call we active.
While we are waiting for the fish, yeah, we are going to be needing some potatoes. Yeah, so I went off camera to peel and cut to my desirable size. As you can see here, the potato is ready. So after some minutes now, I checked on the pot. Yeah, as you can see now, the fish is well cooked. So I went ahead to separate it from the water. Once done, I set the fish aside. Next, I poured in the fish stock into a pot. Now went ahead and add in the potatoes.
Stomach the rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. You go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution.
At this point, we are done adding in the potatoes. So the next, I added my chopped plantain. You can use the ripe or unripe. So season it up with some homemade paprika powder. Add in some oregano, some season cubes,
Put call we active.
curry powder,
As long as it
fresh pepper at your taste,
as long as it
onions,
Obajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself.
crayfish,
To the bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be.
soya sauce, but this is totally optional. I added some ginger and garlic paste.
Anytime, any place where you dey.
Add some water to the level of the potatoes in the pot. Once done, give it a gently and lovely stir.
And the bus.
Feel free to check for salt or seasonings. Once done, cover the pot and let it cook until the plantain is well softened and potato is 80% done, okay? While we are waiting, I went ahead to make some sauce binder. This serves as thickener. Feel free to use any thickener of your choice, okay? After that, I set this aside. After some minutes now, I checked on the pot. Yeah, as you can see, the potatoes is almost done and the plantain is super good. Okay, as you can see, the water is still not thick, so I added in some sauce binder. You can use any binder of your choice. Yeah, so I added a little and gave it a stir. So the next was to add in my vegetables. Here I added some chopped carrots, little vegetable oil. So here I added the rest of the crayfish, stir to combine. Once done, cover the pot and let it cook until it thickens to your preferable consistency. Some minutes now, I checked on the pot. Wow, I've gotten the exact consistency that I need, not too watering, not too thick, okay? So the next, I added in my mixed peppered red, yellow, and green. So the next, I added my grilled Tilapia fish. Yeah.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle.
So at this point, I'm done adding in the fish. I stirred it gently. Once done, cover the pot and let it simmer or cook for just 1 minute. Okay.
Looking for the perfect kitchen to
1 minute later, I checked on the pots. Wow, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, you can never or you cannot resist it. Yes. So stir with love, okay? Stir gently so you don't pieces the potatoes. So the next thing is to turn off the cooker and our potato and plantain vegetable porridge is ready. Can you see? Can you see? So, guys, it is time to serve. This tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you try out this recipe. If you do, let me know what to think in the comment section. If today is your first time here, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. And remember, love you. Bye.
belle they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand, you know fit ginger.